Hi there friends, this is Deepak Kshetra and I welcome you all to another new session in Deepak's kitchen.
In this session, I'm going to show you how to make my version of babycorn 65. This is going to be a very easy and believe me, this is going to be a yummy and delicious recipe.
So without much of wait, let's see how this beautiful recipe is done.
The ingredients required to make this babycorn 65 are a 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, a 1 inch of finely chopped ginger, 5 to 6 garlic finely chopped, half a teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, a 5 to 6 green chilies, 2 teaspoons of maida, 2 strands of curry leaves, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of corn flour, salt as per taste, and half a cup of beaten curd. 100 grams of baby corn, oil enough to deep fry and for the tampering. Here you can see I kept a pot and add some water and allow this water to boil. You can see the water is also boiling nice and good. In this I have taken baby corn and chopped in a bite-sized pieces like this. We'll add everything in this. And we need to cook this for about 2 minutes. And now you can see it's been nearly 2 minutes and the baby corn should be blanched perfectly. So let's take them out. And we'll keep them aside. Here I've taken a bowl. In this we'll add this baby corn. To this I will add the maida, corn flour and half of the red chili powder, jeera powder, half of the garam masala and salt as per taste and the ginger garlic paste and a teaspoon of hot oil and give this a nice mix. Make sure each and every part of the baby corn is nicely been dusted. If you want the appearance, then you can add a bit of a orange food color. To this I will add a water gradually, tablespoon by tablespoon, and give this a mix. And here you go, this is nicely been mixed and this is perfect. So let's see how to fry them. And now look, I have kept a pan to heat and added enough oil to deep fry. The oil seems to be nice and hot and then we need to turn it to a medium flame and then we'll take these corns and add one by one in the hot oil. And don't touch this whatsoever for about 1 minute and let it cook for about 1 minute like this only. And now look, it's been 1 minute and it's time to turn them. Look how perfect they are. The reason why we give 1 minute of time to fry is that to hold them the structure. So as soon as you add them, if you try to turn them or flip them, the masala will completely get into the oil. And here you go, you need to cook this for about another 2 minutes on a medium flame. And it's been nearly 2 minutes. It has been fried to a perfect crispiness. You can see here. And you can hear the sound also. They are perfectly crispy and it is perfectly done. Let's take them out. And now these crispy fried baby corns are now ready. Let's keep them aside. Here in the same pan I have taken nearly 2 tablespoons of oil, and the oil is also smoking hot. In this I am going to add a teaspoon of finely chopped garlic and a teaspoon of finely chopped ginger and green chilies. You can add this according to your spice levels. For my liking I am taking nearly 4 to 5 and 2 strands of curry leaves. And we need to saute them. Make sure you cook this on a high flame. And look, these are nicely been sauteed, and now you need to turn the flame to low. In this I am going to add the beaten curd, a half cup of it, and the salt, the remaining chili powder and the remaining garam masala powder. In this I will add just a pinch of Ajinomoto. If you want, you can totally skip this. And you need to give this a nice mix. And now you can turn on the flame to high. Give this a nice mix until all the water from the curd will evaporate. And now look, it's been nicely been done. There should be this much of a gravy, or the water content should be there. And now we'll add this fried baby corns and give this a nice toss. And here you go, my version of baby corn 65 is now ready to taste. Let's plate this. Just look at this. By the look of itself, I'm tempted to eat this right away. Believe me, it's that delicious. You just do it as the way I show you. I'm pretty sure that you will fall in love with this recipe. And it will go excellent for a starter. Believe me, you will get the loads of showers of appreciations from your family and friends. So,
I hope you guys like this video, and if you found this video useful, then share this video link with your family and friends and tell them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon and click the notifications to all. Then only you will get all our updates. So we'll be back with another yummy recipe. Till then, this is your host Deepak Kshetra signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaste.